So guys, hi everyone. Today I want to show you how to create your product demo in augmented reality using demo slider plugin at MyWebAR. You can create it totally for free. So let's start. Today we will use platform MyWebAR. If you don't have any accounts here, please create a free account. If you have already one, just sign in. After logging in, let's go to My Projects and create new project. Let's choose AR in the real world. We don't need any markers here. And now, most important part, 3D models. We need different 3D models for the project to show them. How it works. If you are not sure which products you want to try, I highly recommend it. Just go to Sketchfab, press filter downloadable, and search for different models. For example, today we will create a chair demo version. So I just wrote chair and chose 3D models that I like the most. Take a moment, but better is to choose models in GLB format up to 10 megabytes. So this one is perfect. You can just download 3, 4, 5, any models you want to put on your slider, and then work with it. So now we are back to MyWebAR. How we will create this demo slider? We need go to extensions and find a plugin that called product preview. You will see that it will use interactive slider. That's all we need. Just press install. As you can see, I already installed it. And after, go again to the content panel. Here you will see all the plugins that you installed. One is product preview. So let's press. And you see it's really easy. All we need to do is to add 3D model and the image of our product. How I'm making the images of our products. For example, I want to put this chair on my project, but I don't have any specific photo. So I will basically make a screenshot. And after this screenshot, I will delete background. I'm using Canva for it, but you can use any other free app or tool just to delete the background. So when we are back on the product preview plugin, basically you need just to click on the special place to add 3D model. For example, I will add one chair. So I added one chair, and also let's add the same image. So as you can see, there is an image and there is a 3D model. And also in the live preview, you can see that it's already changed. Let's do it again with another model, and let's add the image of the chair. By the way, you need to have at least 3 products to have a normal slider. Also, you can add more, up to 14, I guess, 3D models. So if you have a big menu of the products that you want to show, please just do it. All you need to have, it's 3D models and the images. So after we added all 3 or more 3D models, images of the our products, we can add more, or we just can press next. Here we can change our bottom text. Before, if you will want to press on this slider, you can make it clickable, and you can also add some message for the client or just some information. So let's write, for example, add to back, like that. And maybe let's change our color to the red one. So all we need to do is to save configurator. As you can see, we already have our one model as a plugin. So let's make our chair to put it up, just to be sure that it will be grounded. Like that, I guess it's okay. And for example, if you want to change the model, you can see here all the panel with setups with a model. So you can add up to 20 models and images and links. I didn't add any links because I'm not selling this product, but if you want to, please, it's up to you. So after we added 3D models, I personally recommend to add shadows. Let's add shadows. I will change only the volume for 6 to make it more, and the shadows opacity to 3 to make it more blurry, like that. We have our demo. We can also press to preview and to see how it will be actually look like. Of course, it will be bigger in your room or everywhere you will share it. So now all we need to do is to press save and publish your project. So now you have a QR code and you have a AR experience link. Please share it with your friends, clients, and use it like AR experience. Thank you for watching. I hope it was actually useful for you. Don't forget to press like and subscribe for my channel. Bye bye.